Hi everyone, it's Maree, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my really simple evening routine. So I'll be double cleansing, toner, serum and a night cream. My skin has been a little congested recently because the weather's been quite warm in London. However, I've still got a little bit of sensitivity around my cheeks, so my routine is based on those issues. So first things first, hair is going up. I also have a super cute headband. I am ready for my double cleanse. So for my oil cleanser, I'm using the Handskin PHA Pore Cleansing Oil. So the PHA will help to eliminate any impurities that have built up on my skin, such as sun cream, makeup, bacteria, dirt, etc. This is also a really good one at reducing sebum levels, but PHA is also really good for those with sensitive skin but are looking to try acids in their routine. This one does have a fragrance to it. It's slightly citrusy, so some people may not like that, but it's summer, so I really like it, and it emulsifies really well as well. So this is what I'll be using for my first cleanse. Oh, I love an oil cleanse. Even though we've been in lockdown, I've not worn makeup, but I filmed a video today, so I did wear makeup, possibly for the first time in like weeks. But immediately I was like, oh, I just want to get it off. So this oil cleanser just feels really nice. Right, I'm gonna go rinse off and emulsify. For my second cleanser, I'm using the Dr. Althea Amino Acid Bubble Cleanser. It is literally on its last legs, so I've only just managed to get out a little bit. But this is a really gentle one, so it's a really nice one to follow up on the cleansing oil, as it contains PHA. So this one has a pH of around 5, so it's really not that drying, even though it produces a really nice foam. Okay, so I'm gonna go straight in with my toner. This is the Seoul Feel So Fresh toner. This one contains broccoli extract, also vitamin C. It's really nice and hydrating, but it's really lightweight, so perfect for these summer months. So I'm just gonna gently pack that in. And then while that dries, I'm gonna move on and show you my serum, which is the Purito Centella serum. This is the unscented version. So Purito is really good at coming out with the unscented version of their really popular Centella line. So they came out with the unscented SPF, they came out with this serum, and then they also have recently just launched the unscented version of their toner, so free from essential oils, which can be a trigger for some people. So this serum is really nice, lightweight, kind of one of those ones that just does what it says. It's really soothing. Obviously it contains Centella, but helps to strengthen your skin's natural barrier as well. So I'm just gonna apply a layer of that. Because my cheeks have been a little red and sensitive lately, I'm gonna go in with the Klairs Youth Activating Drop. So this one is really good at producing collagen and again helps retain your skin's natural barrier. This is a really good anti-aging concentrated serum that promotes collagen production and also the skin's renewal process. So it just promotes elasticity in the skin, so that's why it's a really good anti-aging serum to use. And then I'm gonna seal that in with the Vegan Glow Good Night Cream. This is enriched with vitamin E and adenosine, so again, a really good nourishing anti-aging option. It's a little bit lightweight, so it hasn't got the consistency of, say, a sleeping mask. But it does give my skin the glow, and in this warm weather I didn't feel like putting on a heavy sleeping mask. Yeah, I really like that one. I discovered the Vegan Glow last year at the KBeauty Expo, and we get asked so many questions about vegan options, so that's why I wanted to curate a brand that was specifically designed for those practicing veganism. So I really like that one. They also have a hair care range, so a shampoo bar and a shampoo conditioner that I've been trying out for the last couple of weeks. and I'm really enjoying especially the conditioner bar, because I've been using Lush shampoo bars and conditioner bars for ages, and yeah, the conditioner bars from Lush, I just feel like they're not very good, and this one, I just feel like my hair's been a lot healthier since using them. So that is my quick evening routine. Who says Queen Skincare has to be 10 steps? That's literally taking me under 10 minutes. And yeah, I hope you like this video, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.